Hi, I'm Kristen, and I work here at the Quilt Show. I'm here in our fabric room today to show you a new product that we have in the store, and that product is the Clover fabric folding pen. One of the artists on our show tipped us off about this pen, and when we tried it, we said, this is so cool. We knew we had to sell it. To use the pen, all you do is draw a line on your fabric, fold along that line, and press down with your fingers, and abracadabra, your fabric is folded, and it looks like you folded it and pressed it with an iron. The magical key to this pen is the folding solution that's inside. The solution relaxes your fabric and makes it foldable, but it doesn't leave any residue and it won't make it stiff when it dries. Now, this pen is great for making folds, but what it's really great for is making folds that need to be a specific width, like a narrow hem, because all you have to do is lay out your fabric, put your quilting ruler down on top, and then measure in as far as you need that fold to be and draw alongside the ruler with a pen, and then fold it over and press down. Magic, you have a 1/2 inch fold, a 1/4 inch fold, whatever it is that you need. Pen is also very handy for removing fold lines from fabric. You know, sometimes you buy a pre-cut piece of fabric and it comes beautifully folded, maybe in a rectangle, maybe in a football shape, and you go to use it, you unfold it, and you try and press out those fold marks, and you can never quite get rid of them. Well, all you need to do is take the fabric folding pen, draw right on top of that fold line, right on the wrinkle, and when it dries, the folding solution will have relaxed the fabric and your wrinkle will be gone. We love the fabric folding pen, and we think you will too.